Hi everyone, it's Marianne from MC Beaters. I just wanted to show you what I've been up to the last day or two, actually 2 days I made these. I decided to macrame. I used to macrame when I was really young. I think I started when I was 8 years old, and I macrameed my mother a plant holder. I think it was just plant holders, a bunch of them. And I decided to macrame some bracelets. So I was looking through my beads and I just put together some bracelets for you. So here you go. Here's the first one. And this one was from a strand from Michael's. I think I got 5 of these metals. And I just macrameed around. They're all adjustable. All you have to do is pull the strings. You open it up and then you pull the strings tight. However how small or big your wrist is, it will fit. Here's another one in black. And this was one of my beads I found in my collection. It looks like a peacock. It's really pretty. And I put these together here. And here's another one, but I did it in black. These are like clay beads that I think I purchased from maybe Wish. Yeah, it must have been Wish. So there's 4 on this one, and I made 5 on this one. I was just playing around trying to figure out. Probably the 4 is better. Anyway, I have some flowers here. Mine and Caroline's next project is going to be making I don't know how to explain it. My father passed away and on the 25th, and we took his flowers and we're going to dry them and make beads out of them. We're going to take clay and the dried petals, and we're going to make bracelets out of them. We have a lot of flowers, so we're going to have a lot of beads going on here. And once we're done with that project, I'm sure Caroline or myself will make a video, show you how they came out. Okay, that's what I have for you now. Everyone take care. Bye-bye.